Hey, it's Nimesh and Rachel, and we're here at Anglia Homes.
Welcome to Sierra Vista. We are standing in one of the fastest growing areas in Greater Houston, and it's only going to get better from here.
Let's go see what Voight and Nina are up to.
Anglia Homes is a Houston-based builder that understands the value of creating the best possible home buying experience, and their core principles of quality, location, affordability, and design help them do just that. With several different floor plans to choose from, ranging from 1,500 square feet to 2,500 square feet, offering both 1- and 2-story, there is sure to be a home for you. Open concept living, spacious kitchens, large primary retreats, and many more standard features to make your dream home yours. With over 30 communities in the Greater Houston area, their focus is to embrace the buyer's wants and needs, which include building in the best communities around Houston, and Sierra Vista is one on the list. Sierra Vista delivers an exceptional lifestyle with a new way of living that combines outstanding amenities with beautiful homes. Conveniently situated along the 288 corridor, Sierra Vista will soon be home to a 4-acre crystal clear lagoon and beach club where residents can put their toes in the white sandy beaches right in their backyard. Currently, Sierra Vista residents can enjoy world-class amenities in their sister community, Sterling Lakes, which include a junior Olympic pool, splash pad, hike and bike trails, a gym facility, and so much more. For more information on Sierra Vista, Anglia Homes, their current inventory and incentives, and how we can help you get you into your new Anglia home, call the Nimesh Patel Group today.